Hello everybody, welcome back to your boy Mr. Green Hands, and the dogs are here with me, keeping me company with their absolutely amazing barks. Not really, they drive me over the wall. And today I'm here to get my pumpkins. The time's getting cold and we need to get them out right now. It's a beautiful day right now in London, so I just need to get them out because obviously the plant is starting to dry back and it's time to get those pumpkins out of there before we do get a frost and everything goes downhill. Let me get my secateurs because they're just a perfect tool for this. As you can see, guys, you can look, and this is all the vines that the pumpkin was running. It's completely dried back and it's really starting to get cold because autumn's literally starting to get that moment. And have a look at this, guys. Voila. They're not the biggest thing. I know I planted a magnificent crown prince. Planted this variety of pumpkin called Crown Prince. It really should look something like this. This is what it's supposed to look like. The gray texture, the solid. But then, for some reason or the other, I have a orange color one here. I have a green looking one here with the gray stripes. Let me bring you over here. There's one more gray one hidden over the bushes here. It's just there. There's one here. This is really what it was supposed to look like. So all of this is because there's a beautiful green one here. All of this is really because of pollination. When the bees travel around the allotment or travel in other places of the world, or in this case, my environment, the reason why this happens when you are having your bees, having your pollinators go around, they're going to mix the pollen with other pollens because obviously we're not very far from other people that plant different variety of pumpkin. So the bees, the whatever goes around and pollinates, and it obviously comes over to me and pollinate my ones as well. So this is why it's what we call cross-pollination. So I have a few, obviously I've got a few different variety mixtures here, which is beautiful. I'm hoping to get the same texture as the Crown Prince. I have about 3 great nice ones. They're not the biggest, but I'm praying they're gonna be the most delicious. Let's get harvesting right now. And I'm gonna show you and explain to you why I do what I do while harvesting. This is the beautiful, amazing green one that I have here. It's one of the pumpkins that I really look for. It is the biggest one I have, but what I want to do is just to use my secateurs, cut here and cut there, and that's pretty much it. Brush a little bit of dirt off. Look at that, beautiful, guys. Listen to that sound. It's amazing. And look at the bottom where you can see the color of the Crown Prince was coming through, and obviously there's another variety mixture here, and I'm hoping that this will give me a beautiful and a sweet flavor pumpkin. But the reason why I want to stay and keep this here is that if you keep the head of the pumpkin like this, it's going to last longer. I could trim it down a little bit. I'm just going to trim that down now. Yeah, just trim it down a little bit there. And that's really it. Let me try to go and gather the other ones and show you all the pumpkins together. And let me know, guys, what you think about my pumpkin. Did I do a good job? Did I do an okay job? Let me know in the comment section. Have a look at this one here. You can see where the grayness from the Crown Prince was coming through, and obviously through the pollination process it started to turn orange. But this is beautiful. Cross-pollination isn't as bad as people think, but it can create a beautiful gem like this. Hey guys, look at these beautiful pumpkins. I have to say, I am really proud of what I've done. Even though it's not all the pumpkin, the big massive one I wanted to get, but I'm happy just to be able to have a meal and enjoy my life. I think this is beautiful. It's amazing. Gardening is fantastic. I hope everybody is loving the content that I do. Please don't forget to hit that like button. And guys, if you are doing the same thing as me right now, which is harvesting your pumpkins, please hashtag pumpkin harvest 2022. It's beautiful. It's time to get the Halloween fever going once you start getting your pumpkins in. It's your boy, Mr. Green Hands. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and check out these beauties before you go. Have a look at those. Whew. This is going to have an amazing soup. This is life. Amazing. God bless everybody. Stay blessed.